welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. My name is Allie, and today I'm going to show you guys my top 3 most worn mommy hairstyles. So about the last month or so, I've gotten back into doing my hair and my makeup. I have a 3-month-old, so it took me a while, but I'm back into it, and I want to show you guys how I do my hair, how I get it to last, and then what styles I wear it in, so I feel kind of put together, I look kind of put together, and it all just works out for me. So if you're interested, then keep watching. So the first thing that I do is I start with freshly washed hair. I know that's super hard to do as a mom, so these styles can last you through an entire week if you wanted them to, but I usually have my mom come over in the morning at least twice a week to help me with filming, editing, watching Oakland while I work and getting stuff done. So I usually can wash my hair at least every 3 days. So that's kind of where this stems from, but you could just repeat these and wear them for an entire week until Saturday when you got to wash your hair or whatever. So I have freshly washed hair. This is just completely air dried. I just left it alone, and I'm going to curl it today. So I think the biggest key is getting a curling iron that works for your hair, and the one that I'm going to show you guys was sent to me. But if you look back at my old videos, I've done so many videos with this company, and I absolutely love all of their hair care tools. So I did one with their straightener. It's still my favorite straightener. I still have it in my bathroom. I use it when I straighten my hair. But this is the Duval Trinity Set 3-in-1 Tourmaline Curling Wand. So this comes with the wand itself and then 3 interchangeable barrels. It's 3/4 of an inch, 1 inch, and then 1 1/3 inch, 1.5 inches, just in between there. So the one that I use is the 1 inch, and it's not tapered at all, and that's a huge deal, especially if you have short to medium hair. If it tapers, that's when you start getting the really fine ringlet curls. I like this to give me more curls that fade into waves. So this is the 1 inch all around, and then I have this big guy is the 1 1/3, 1.5-ish, and then this is the 3/4 of an inch. If you have shorter hair, or if you're doing your kids' hair, this is perfect for it because it gives those cuter, tighter waves. What I'm gonna do is take my curling iron and I'm gonna curl my whole head. I don't section it, I don't do anything. I do a very messy curl, and I will show you guys that all sped up just so you can see how I curl it, but it doesn't take forever. So I always start with my front pieces because those are the money pieces, that's what you wanna focus on. And depending on the length of your hair, you can decide how many times you wrap it around. I have pretty medium kind of long hair. It's down to here, about my chest. So I take it and I curl away from my face and I wrap it 4 times and leave that much hair out. And that makes sure that you get the beachy look rather than it being curled all the way to the end. So I just hold it for 5 to 8 seconds and you get that kind of long, loose curl. You can hold it in your hand for a little bit, kind of scrunch it back up to your head so it's a little bit tighter, and then you just move on and you keep going. I don't alternate, I literally just go away from my face on this side, away from my face on this side, keep them all the same distance. I touch every single piece of hair, but I just do a messy curl. So I use the 410. You can adjust how hot you want it on this one, which is also a huge deal. I could get away with using the 350 up to 400, anywhere in that range. It just doesn't hold my curl as long. So I use 410. I just don't hold it for very long on each piece. You can see I'm doing literally maybe 5 seconds. If it's a thicker piece, if I grabbed too much hair, I'll do 7, but wrap it around 4 times, leave out the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. so that is my finished hair. You can see the ends are all like pretty straight. I love that look. It lets it fall a lot more naturally and just looks so cute and beachy. You can add texturizing spray, you can add some root plump, whatever you want. I am pretty much out of time, so I'm just going to leave it like this, wear my hair down for the day. It's only gonna last down for about 1 day because as a mom, your hair gets pulled. So I'm gonna leave it like this for today. We're gonna do some Christmas shopping and then I'll see you guys tomorrow for my next hairstyle. Okay, so it's day 2, I'm back. My hair's fallen a little bit, but not a ton. And the great thing about this wand is I'm not gonna touch up my hair because honestly, as a mom, I don't always have time to touch up my hair. So today I'm gonna show you guys like a half updo that gets these pieces out of my face because that's the part that gets greasy, and then it can still stay down while it's still curled and cute, and then we get into the real mom hairstyles like the messy buns. Okay, so if you guys know me, you know I love scrunchies. I have a ton of them and I wear them all the time just as normal hair ties, but they're especially great for buns and half up hairdos. So I'm gonna use this one. It's just like a scrunchie that has like this extra little tie that kind of looks like a bow, and it's cheetah print. And what I'm gonna do is take from about my temples back up to the crown of my head, not all the way like down and around. I do kind of angle it up to the crown of my head, but I start at my temples. And I just finger comb this because I want it to look more messy and not like slicked back like a ballerina one. So also peep the postpartum hair loss. That's great. I love that. I'll take that hair piece too. Okay, so messy, take this one, and the reason I'm using it is because of the little bows. I also have this one that has like a longer ribbon. What I'll do is I'm just going to secure it as a ponytail with this right there, and then loosely pull it tighter, pull it up, pull it, work with it, and then it gives you like this really voluminous looking like half up ponytail. Makes your hair look super long and full, and I love it. You could also just really quick do like a half up bun and just kind of wiggle it around a little bit, get that. Tuck some pieces, leave that in the back and do a bun. Obviously that's not my greatest one, but I like it as a ponytail. I think it makes your hair look super long, voluminous, and really, really pretty. So I'm gonna put it back in the ponytail for the day. And then just like work with it. Plus it's super easy to throw the rest of my hair behind me if I'm feeding, so she doesn't grab it. But then also if you're out and doing stuff, or I don't know, just wanting to feel cute, pull it to the front. Super cute. And I think the scrunchies with the ribbons make all the difference in the world for this hairstyle. Okay, my third and final day is definitely my most chill day. I literally just have my leggings, this super cozy sweater on, and this is the hairstyle that gets me through the rest of the week. My hair is starting to get a little bit dirty. It's starting to get a little bit greasy down at the bottom. So what I'm gonna do is take my dry shampoo. This is not my favorite one, it's just the one I have, and spray just my top pieces that are seen. So like these front bits, and just like the top ones that give you the volume, but also if you see, they kind of look messy. Okay, so then brush through your hair. See, my curls are starting to go away, but it's day 3, so that's great. Then I'm using my second favorite scrunchie, which is this black velvet one. And in comparison to other ones, like it's a lot tighter. This one could stretch forever. This one is a little bit tighter and like has thicker fabric. That's the key to this one. So what I'm gonna do is take my dry shampoo and brushed out hair, and I'm gonna flip everything upside down. So grab it as high as you want. I like my buns really high and really voluminous. Then take your thick, tight scrunchie, wrap it around once, and flick your wrist around and pull over. You're left with all these crazies right in front of your face. Leave it. So then what you do is you play with the bun from the top and you pull it from like the base, get the shape you want, then take all the hairs and tuck them behind. I used to fix those like extra straggler hairs first, and it always left me with like bits hanging out and pieces everywhere. So then you just keep playing with it, tucking the pieces that you want, keep pulling it. I love a big voluminous bun. You could even like bobby pin this side down. I don't worry that much. I just kind of tuck and pull. And this is easy because if you do have to take it down and redo it during the day, like your hair gets too messy or gets pulled, it's super easy because there's no extra bobby pins or anything. You just have a nice big bun. So now I need to like lower myself because the camera needs to go taller. There we go. So now you can see like my whole bun. You could totally do a colored scrunchie. Like I have this camel one that's the same way, like a very thick fabric that looks great and it would show through your hair. I just have a black one because it kind of blends in with my dark brown hair. And then I'm done. I'm ready. I have my sweater. I'm ready. This is the hairstyle that I wear probably 2 or 3 times in the week, just because as a mom, having your hair down, it doesn't always work out the best. And this way, scrunchies don't hurt my head. They don't make it like pull and hurt. It looks super big and voluminous because of the dry shampoo, and it was previously curled, and it's just easier to wear. So I honestly wear this like 70% of the time, and then I have my hair down, curled, half up, or in a ponytail, like 30%. Buns are my go-to, and I'm really happy I found a way, because I have very thin hair, to do a big messy bun that looks put together, but it's super easy. So I love it. Big scrunchies are the lifesaver. The more fabric you can add into it, the better, because then it makes your hair obviously bigger and more voluminous. Alright, so that is it for my mommy hairstyles video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure that you're subscribed and that you like this video, and also check out all my links down in the description. I have everything linked all the time, as well as the coupon code for this Duval hair care set that I told you guys about earlier. So like I said, I do have a coupon code for you guys for this hair care set from Duval. It's Levitt70. You guys get 70% off all styling tools from their website. So I'll have that linked down below, as well as the code written out so you can see it, but you definitely should go check it out. But anyways, that is all for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed. YouTube is not showing like 48% of my viewers that I upload, so if you want to turn on your bell notification so you get like a notification that I upload, please do so. That would help me out a ton, and if you guys don't want to miss a video, then it'll help you out too. I love you guys. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.